Nutrimiles. I hope that you guys are safe and fit at your place. This is nutritionist Radhika bringing greeting from my channel R Nutrimiles. फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आप लोगों से एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वर्कआउट पैटर्न शेयर करूंगी, स्पेशली फॉर द women who are suffering from the issue of imbalance of hormones and PCOD. तो फ्रेंड्स, मैंने आपसे एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग योगा फ्लो भी शेयर किया है फॉर द विमेन सफरिंग फ्रॉम पीसीओडी। आप चाहे तो उस लिंक को मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में शेयर कर दूँगी। आज भी मैं आपसे बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इजी गोइंग होम वर्कआउट सीरीज शेयर करूँगी। अगर आप सफ़र कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम द इशू ऑफ पीसीओडी, अगर आप सफ़र कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ थायराइड और एनी काइंड ऑफ इम्बैलेंसिंग ऑफ हार्मोन्स, एंड इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू लूज वेट व्हाइल सफरिंग फ्रॉम दीज प्रॉब्लम्स, सो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। आप इस एक्सरसाइज को फॉलो कीजिए अपनी डेली रूटीन में एंड यू विल गेट 100% बेनिफिट एंड यू विल लूज एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट ऑफ वेट ऑल्सो, प्लस इट विल हेल्प यू ऑफ मैनेज योर पीसीओडी, PCOS, थायराइड इश्यूज।
Let's start with warm-up. Warm-up will help you out to increase your flexibility. It will help you out to reduce your muscle soreness and lessen your risk of any kind of injury. It will increase your blood flow and oxygen level. It will improve your performance and it will help you out to do exercise on a good pace. Now let's begin with workout series. If you already into workout, perform advanced flow, and if you are new to workout, perform the beginner flow. Let's start with jumping and standing jack. Balance out your heart rate and increase your blood circulation. Second is jumping squats and deep standing squats. Squats give you a strong lower body. It will strengthen your core and improve your flexibility, which help you out to burn many calories. Third workout is jumping or standing lunges. Lunges give you the perfect butt lock as it will help you to achieve the stronger and more stable core. It will also help to achieve proper body balance and coordination, make you more flexible and functional. Fourth workout is side to side plank, hops, jump or stretch. This workout will strengthen your shoulder and arm muscles, give tension to the core, improve your posture, flexibility as well as tighten your tummy. Fifth workout is burpees. This is one of the best fat burning workout. Burpees make you stronger. They are great workout for conditioning your body. Burpees make your arms and core stronger. Burpees also improve your blood flow level, lower the risk of heart disease, lower your blood pressure level and improve your cholesterol levels also. Fifth workout is side to side jumping squats or deep squats. This workout will help you to build up your strength and stability in each leg individually, and it will also improve your balance and flexibility. The last workout is mountain climber or plank in and out. This particular workout is effective for your overall body. It will strengthen your back, shoulder, core, legs and arms. Now let's perform some of the post-workout yoga stretch and movement that will give you benefit to prevent your pain, boost your energy level, improve the range of motion and increase your muscular coordination. First yoga stretch and movement is Utkata Asana. This asana develop your core strength. It will strengthen your legs. It will beat the heat in your body and open your shoulder and chest. The second stretch and yoga movement is Trikona Asana. Trikona Asana will increase your stability. It will stretch and strengthen your spine. It will stimulate your all organs and reduce stress from your body. Try to perform at least 10 repetitions each side. The next yoga movement and stretch is deep lunge stretch. So deep lunge stretch will strengthen your large lower body muscle groups. For example, hip, hamstring, glute muscle, quadricep muscle. It will stretch all over your lower body muscles. This particular stretch will help you out to improve your core stability. It will stronger your lower body. It will improve your balance and flexibility, and it will also provide good fat loss. Next yoga stretch and movement is dog pose to cobra pose. This particular yoga asanas flow will strengthen your arm. It will improve your body posture. It will stretch your chest area. It will also give a good stretch to your back. It will work the back of your legs also. This yoga flow will strengthen your bones and it will tone up your core. The last stretch and yoga movement is Setubandh Asana. Setubandh Asana will stretch your chest, spine, hip area and neck. It will strengthen your back and hamstring. It will give a good stretch to your lower abdomen. It will improve your circulation of blood. It will also give a calm to your brain and improve your digestion. It will also elevate all the stress from your body and remove all the mild depression if you are suffering from. Lastly, let's wind up this workout and yoga series by performing at least 7 to 10 minutes of pranayam. Doing pranayam at least for 10 minutes will increase your mindfulness. It will reduce your blood pressure level. It improve the function of kidney area or lungs. It will also reduce all the stress and anxiety if you are suffering from, and it will improve the quality of sleep also. Daily performing the pranayams will train your lungs and it will improve the capacity of your respiratory system also. It will give work directly with your nerve system and provide benefit to your body and control your heart rate also and blood pressure level. Pranayam also improve your digestion and it will remove all the unwanted fat around your stomach area. So here I am practicing 4 pranayam. First, deep om chanting. Try to do deep om chanting at least 11 times. Then you have to do Anulom Vilom. Again, Anulom Vilom you have to do at least for 10 to 11 times. After performing that, you have to perform Kapal Bhati, which you can do it like for 50 times to 100 times. And wind up your pranayam practice by performing Bhramri. You have to perform Bhramri pranayam at least for 7 times. These pranayams provide a good benefit for the women who are suffering from the problem of PCOS and thyroid issues. So they can perform it daily for 7 to 10 minutes. Rub your hands and apply the heat on your eyes and open your eyes very gently.
सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको आज का वर्कआउट पैटर्न अच्छा लगा है तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसको शेयर कीजिए अपने रिलेटिव फ्रेंड्स के साथ. सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल, हिट द बेल आइकन. आप हमारे साथ जुड़ भी सकते हैं बाय लॉगिंग टू आवर वेबसाइट. यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो अस ऑन आवर इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक पेज. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड स्टे ट्यून विद अस.